Welcome to this meditation focused on cultivating gratitude for nature. Today we'll explore how spending time in the natural world can nourish your soul, enhance your well-being, and deepen your sense of self-love. By the end of this session, you'll feel more connected to the beauty around you and inspired to express gratitude for the peace that nature provides. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, releasing any distractions. This time is for you to connect with nature, even if just in your mind, and to cultivate a sense of gratitude. Let's begin by grounding ourselves with a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calming air. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to the earth. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize roots growing from the base of your spine or feet, anchoring you to the ground. Feel the stability and support of the earth beneath you. Allow this sense of grounding to bring you peace and presence, preparing you to focus on the beauty of nature. Now let's shift our focus to the beauty of nature. Begin by visualizing a place in nature that brings you peace and joy. It could be a lush forest, a serene beach, a blooming garden, or a peaceful park. Picture yourself there, fully immersed in the natural surroundings. As you visualize this place, take a moment to observe the details. Notice the colors around you, the green of the leaves, the blue of the sky, the vibrant hues of flowers. Hear the sounds. the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the gentle flow of a stream. Feel the texture of the ground beneath you, the warmth of the sun, or the cool breeze on your skin. Allow yourself to fully experience the beauty of this natural place. As you do, notice how it makes you feel. Feel the calmness, the peace, and the sense of grounding that nature provides. Recognize how these feelings of tranquility and connection enhance your sense of well-being and self-love. Now, take a moment to express your gratitude for this experience. Silently or aloud, say thank you to the trees, the flowers, the animals, the earth itself. Acknowledge the peace and beauty that nature offers and the way it nourishes your soul. Imagine making a regular practice of spending time in nature, whether through walks in the park, hikes in the woods, or simply sitting under a tree. Visualize how this connection with the natural world can become a cherished part of your life, offering you grounding and gratitude each time you immerse yourself in it. Let's reinforce these reflections with a positive affirmation. Silently or aloud, repeat the following words. I am grateful for the beauty and peace of nature. By connecting with the natural world, I nurture my soul and fill my cup with gratitude and love. As you continue to breathe, visualize yourself in nature, feeling the grounding energy of the earth beneath you. See yourself appreciating the beauty around you, feeling grateful for the calm and serenity it brings. Imagine how this practice of connecting with nature enhances your sense of well-being and self-love. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to embrace the beauty of nature. Know that by connecting with the natural world, you are nurturing your soul and cultivating a deep sense of gratitude and peace. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and take one final deep breath in. As you exhale, feel a sense of calm, grounding, and gratitude for the natural world around you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry the spirit of nature's beauty with you as you go about your day, knowing that each moment spent in nature is a moment of peace, connection, and gratitude. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May your day be filled with the beauty and peace that nature provides, and may your connection to the natural world continue to nourish your soul.